Yo guys, Neil Gaming back again with another video, and are you wondering how I got this golden bubble and how I got all of this in gold pants? Well, it's simple. I got it through homebrew. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to homebrew any Nintendo 3DS by using Steelhax. So all you need for this is the computer and a application called Steel Diver Sub Wars. So what you're going to do first of all is you're going to head over to the system settings. Once you're in the system settings, right, you're going to look at the firmware version. So I'm in 11.13.45. All right, so I'm gonna X out of here. All right. Also shout out to my cousin for hooking me up with her DS. This wouldn't be possible without her. Anyways, once you know your what's it called? Once you know your version, you're going to go to Nintendo eShop and download this game called Steel Diver Sub Wars. So it's right here. You're gonna download it. It's for free. Make sure when you download it, you might be prompted with the update. Do not update. Anyways, once you have done that, you're going to leave the 3DS. You're gonna power it off and whatnot, and you're gonna take off its SD card. So give me a second. I'll do this. All right. So once you have taken off the SD card, you're gonna plug it in your computer, and over here in your computer, you're gonna head over to the website 3dshacks.guide. Now in 3dshacks.guide, it shows you how to get CFW, homebrew, and whatnot. Obviously, CFW is much more complicated than homebrew, so you're going to head over to homebrew. So you're going to go all the way down, and you're going to click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you're going to it requires you to read, but all it says is, what I've told you in the beginning, which is to make sure your version is correct. This is really ample. So now we're going to go and you're going to use the tactic called Steel Miner. So we're going to click on here, and then over here we can go. So you're going to insert your computer, your SD card in the computer, and all you're going to do is you're going to head over to, one second guys, you're going to head over to your no name, so here, and what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Nintendo 3DS, and you're going to find this 32 symbol icon. Make sure you copy it somewhere. All right, once you do that, you're gonna X out of here. You're gonna head over to the system here, and what you're gonna do over here is you're gonna head over to the brute force website. So it's gonna be in section 3, brute force. Make sure you have downloaded Steel Diver Sub Wars. And now I've already done this part, but all you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the 32 symbols that I put there, the 32 character symbols right here on the IDO, and you're gonna write your friend code. Then you're gonna click on Go. Here in the step 1, there's gonna be a little bot that's gonna send you a friend code. You're gonna add that into your DS. It takes about 5 minutes. For me, it took 10 minutes, and then you're gonna get your movable LCD. Once you get your movable LCD, and the rest is just cake. You're going to head over to, you're just gonna keep reading this, and then you're gonna go to this website where it's gonna tell you to put your movable LCD down. So when you do put your movable LCD, you're gonna put it on your root of the SD card. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to Nintendo 3DS. You're gonna click on here. You're gonna click on here. You're gonna head over to title. You're gonna click on 044000. No E, no 2. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna click on the first one. You're gonna click on data, and you're gonna overwrite your save file. So when you put your movable.scd, they're gonna send you a save file, and you're gonna overwrite it. All right. Once you've done that, this is basically injecting the homebrew launcher onto the onto the Nintendo 3DS. Once this is done, all you've got to do is then head over to your other app payload. So to get your other app payload, this is when I told you guys in the beginning, remember what your firmware version is. So my firmware version is 11.13.45. So all I did was I got the boot.3dsx and boot.firm for those two versions. All right, once that's done, I'm going to go then to the Steelhax website. Don't worry, it's going to be down below. And then when you get your Steelhax website, you're going to download Steelhax. And once you download Steelhax, you're going to put it on the root of the SD card. Now for this hack, I just downloaded 2 apps really quickly. Playcoin.3dsx, I'll put it down below in the description. and specializeme.3dsx. Alright, once all of this is done, you're going to eject the SD card. And once you eject the SD card, you take it back. 1 second, guys. I'm sorry for the camera showing a black screen. I'm just putting the SD card back. You're going to go into your Nintendo 3DS. Power it on. And once you power on your Nintendo 3DS. So this hack literally takes like 15 minutes to do. If you're lucky with the brute force movable, but it's not that complicated. Anyone can do it. And best part is you can get CFW. If we get 25 likes, I'll show you guys how to get CFW. Now, to know if this works, you're gonna see the 3D disappear for a bit. So we're just gonna give it some time. 3D disappear. That means we're entering in homebrew. It's gonna go all this, and it says no applications found. You're gonna press B. Pressing B is then gonna direct you to all your applications. And I told you guys that I'm gonna use this later. We're gonna actually install this there. If we get 25 likes, I'll show you how to do it. But anyways, we got 2 apps here. So we got specialized.me. So you can make any me special. I've already done so. And you just press A if you want to, and then you press A if you really want to, and then press select to save, and then start to end the program. Then press B again. And then you can also get 300 play coins quickly. So here you can see here, set play coin to 300. It's reading, it's writing. And yeah, then we're done. And then you press start to exit. And yeah, so basically if you guys want to get homebrew for yourselves, all you need is your Nintendo 3DS and a PC. And if you have any questions, please write it down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.